Welcome back to another brand new video. So how are you, my dear subscribers and all my viewers? If you are new here, my name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. On my channel I share my passion for fashion and beauty, from stylish outfit ideas to makeup tutorial and product reviews. I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips and tricks, from home decor to pretending advice, to help you live your best life. My goal is to create a community where we can all share our love of fashion and beauty and sport and inspire each other. So subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on my all latest videos and join the conversation. So I wanted to take a moment to share with you my exciting new YouTube channel. So please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell and support me. So on my channel you will get to see the latest fashion, trend and style from American woman, Belgian woman, worldwide woman. The best fashion I will show you in my videos. From street style to haute count, I will be covering it all. I would love for you to join me on this fashion journey and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing you will get to see new content every day, including fashion tips, trends, reports and style inspired from women all ages and backgrounds. So if you are as passionate about fashion as I am, be sure to subscribe to Mother Fashion today. So let's explore the world of fashion together. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, today we are going to talking about one of the most stylish rolls, skirt Middleton. From elegant gowns to chic everyday outfits, skirt fashion sense is always on point. Let's dive in and explore some of our most iconic looks. Who can forget Kat's stunning wedding dresses designed by Tara Burton for Alexander McQueen? This lace gown is a masterpiece. And let's not forget her iconic red carpet looks. Like this gorgeous Jenny Peckham gown, Kat dresses are always a hit and we cannot get enough of them. But Kat's style is not just limited to formal events. Her everyday outfits are always chic and relatable. From classic trench coat to stylish sneakers, Kat's wardrobe staples are must-have for any fashion lover. And the best part, you can recreate her looks without breaking the bank. So my dear subscribers and all my viewers, please share this video with your family and friends. And please tell me in comment box what do you like in my video and which type of video do you like in future. So where you can find dresses like Kat's, from high-end designers like Alexander McQueen to affordable options like Zara and H&M. There is something for every budget, and don't forget to check out online retailer like Net-a-Porter and ASOS for a wide range of stylish options. Thanks for watching again, love yous. If you are new here, consider subscribing to Mother Fashion for more fashion and beauty content. I upload new videos every day, from fashion tips and trends to product reviews and hauls. And if you have any requests for future videos, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all latest videos. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, join me on Mother Fashion as I explore iconic style of Kat Middleton. From her stunning wedding dresses to her chic everyday outfits, Kat fashion sense is always on point. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, in this video we will dive into some of her most memorable looks and show you where to find similar dresses and outfits. Whether you are a royal fan or just fashion lover, you won't want to miss this video. So subscribe to Mother Fashion for more fashion and beauty content and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos. And let us know in the comment below what would you like to see next. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, thank you very much for watching this video.